Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about anti-lock brake systems on your vehicle and how important they are and what kind of maintenance you can do to keep them in good working order. Today's brake systems are a lot more complex. They work with modules and electronics that have to do with several systems on your vehicle. The anti-lock braking system not only prevents your brakes from locking up, but also the brake system is applied to prevent collision when your vehicle rolls up, especially newer vehicles today with all the sensors on them. So we want to keep everything in the braking system in good working order for your safety, but also to prevent failures. The valving systems on these are extremely expensive if they have to be replaced. So really the only thing you can do is to flush the brake system out on your vehicles regularly. We do recommend this when the acidic level comes up and the copper content's high. The brake fluid should be strip tested, and it's often a great service to add to replacing brake pads or rotors, brake shoes, etc. when it's brake service time. There are several sensors involved in this system, so you do want to take your vehicle to a qualified technician to have it diagnosed properly, because the components are not cheap and we do not want to be replacing components that are not effective. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for the Automan Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.